Today I'm going to show you how to run multiple API requests in Postman. Okay, so now I'm in Postman and I got a workspace called project, and I got one collection called Cisco SD-WAN APIs, and I got 2 requests. So how to run multiple API requests in Postman? To do that, you can actually go to your collection and click run. So I'm going to go to my collection, which is Cisco SD-WAN APIs, and click this 3 dots on the side, and I'm going to select run. And I see that I got the 2 requests. So login is a post request and get devices is a get request. And here I got the run type as functional, run method local, iterations, meaning number of times to loop through the collection during the run, and I got all these settings. So I'm gonna leave all the settings as default. And now I can actually go ahead and click the start run button here, start run. And Postman will run the requests sequentially. So it's now running the login request and it ran the get devices request. And we see that both are successful because we see the status code 200. Okay, and we can also just click on one of them. So let me click on the login request and I see the response here. So there's no, the response section is blank because it is a post request, but we should see headers. So this is the URL, right? And the method is post and status code is 200. And we got the request headers and response headers. And we should also see the J session ID, which is this. So this is the cookie that Postman automatically used for the get devices request. And let's check the request. So the request body is the username and password. Okay, so now let's check the get devices request. In here, we got the response, which is a JSON formatted file, right? And the pretty view is, or option is selected by default, and we can also select raw. And let's check the headers. And here the headers is, this is what we see in the headers section. So this is the URL, right? And of course, this is the base URL, and this is the endpoint. And the method is get, and the status code is 200. And here we see the cookie as well, right? That's J session ID. Okay, and you can also run it again by clicking this button here, run again. So let me do that. Now it's running the login request and the get devices request. So sometimes the login request fails because we're just using a Cisco sandbox. So it fails because here we see that method not allowed. So let me go ahead and run it again. So hopefully this time it will be successful. Yeah, it is successful. Okay, so that's how to run multiple API requests in Postman. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.